Chemical properties of metals. Metals react with oxygen, form metal oxides. Metals react with water and gives metal hydroxide and release hydrogen gas. Metals react with dilute acids and gives metal salt and hydrogen gas. So these three different reactions are helpful to determine the given unknown element. X element is a metal or non-metals. Okay, if it is metal, definitely with oxygen it will give metal oxides, which is a basic in nature. Which is basic in nature. And second is test. If again we can test with the water, and if it releases hydrogen gas, which gives the pop sound, again we can say it is a basic in nature. And third test, again they react with the metals, dilute acids. Dilute acids react with metals, release hydrogen gas. That reaction also we can do it. So to find out the given element is a metal or non-metal. Now reactivity with metal and oxygen. So here in simpler manner, how can we define? When metals react with oxygen form metal oxide. For example, sodium is one metal, react with oxygen gives sodium oxide, Na2O. So to balance, first when you balance the non-metals, automatically reaction will balance easily. So here two oxygen atoms are there and here one oxygen atom is there. To balance two oxygen atoms, make it 2. And here total number of sodium atoms are 4 and here 1. So here 4. So reaction was balanced. Now sodium react with oxygen form sodium oxide. Now this sodium oxide is which nature? Basic in nature. What nature? Basic in nature. Basic nature means which convert red litmus into blue litmus. Basic oxides are turns red litmus to blue litmus color. And second, what is the nature of the bond between metal and oxygen? The metal and oxygen bond is ionic bond. What is the nature of bond? Ionic bond. So this is one example I have given. So you can write different examples based upon the series. So you should understand metallic series. Then you can write the reactions. First potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, hydrogen. Okay. So here oxygen react form K2O. Sodium react with oxygen form Na2O. Calcium react with oxygen form CaO. Magnesium react with oxygen gives MgO. Aluminium react with oxygen forms Al2O3. Zinc react with oxygen gives ZnO. Iron react with oxygen form Fe2O3 or FeO. Lead react with form PbO2. Okay, so these are the few examples of the reactions. Now, in these reactions, when you talk about the first series, here from potassium to magnesium, potassium oxide to magnesium oxide, these metal oxides are basic in nature, which turns red litmus into blue litmus. Means when you dissolve this potassium hydroxide in water and test with the red litmus paper, which gives red litmus to blue color, which indicates that they are basic in nature. Okay, but when we are talking about iron oxide, zinc oxide, and aluminum oxide, what are those three oxides? Aluminum oxide, zinc oxide, and iron oxide. They are amphoteric in nature. Okay, so aluminum oxide, zinc oxide, and iron oxides, they are aluminum amphoteric in nature. Amphoteric means the metal oxides. So suppose amphoteric meaning here Al2O3 is a metal oxide. When we are reacting with the acid, this oxide act as a base. In the presence of acid, act as a base. In the presence of base. In the presence of base, it acts as a acid. Okay, so that nature is known as amphoteric nature. Amphoteric in sense, in the presence of acid act as a base, in the presence of base act as a acid, that nature is called as amphoteric. So we have three different amphoteric oxides: aluminum oxide, zinc oxide and iron oxides. These are amphoteric oxides. So this is the first reaction about metal and oxygen.